Welcome to the WiBiz platform. This video is your full Pro plan walkthrough. Pro gives you access to the complete front end of the platform, including your pipeline management, campaigns, knowledge base, and auto-response configuration. Your automation infrastructure is built and running. This video shows you how to manage, direct, and grow from it. Let's begin. Your Pro plan menu gives you access to the full operational and marketing suite. On the left, you have conversations, calendars, contacts, reputation, social planner, email marketing, campaigns, opportunities, reporting, knowledge base, and auto-responses. The only area that remains with the WiBiz team is settings and platform configuration. Any changes to integrations, sub-account structure, or core automation architecture are handled by your WiBiz account manager. Everything else you see here is yours to use. Conversations, calendars, contacts, and reputation are the operational core of your platform. These work consistently across all plan tiers. Your universal inbox, your contact database, your booking calendar, and your reputation management are all here. If you want a detailed walkthrough of these sections, refer to the Light Plan video, which covers them fully. Social Planner and email marketing work the same way as on the standard plan. Schedule posts across all connected channels from Social Planner. Send broadcast emails and targeted campaigns from email marketing. The standard plan video covers both of these in full detail if you want a step-by-step walkthrough. Campaigns on the Pro plan gives you multi-channel campaign management. You can build, schedule, and monitor campaigns that combine SMS, email, and other channels into a single coordinated sequence. To create a campaign, click New Campaign. Name your campaign and select the channels you want to include. A campaign can include an email on day 1, an SMS on day 3, and a follow-up email on day 7. You define the steps. Add each step in your campaign sequence. For each step, select the channel, write your message content, and set the delay from the previous step. You are building a multi-touch communication sequence that runs automatically once triggered. Set who this campaign sends to. You can target by contact tag, by pipeline stage, or by a specific list. Set the trigger. When does this campaign start? On a manual send, on a specific date, or when a contact enters a certain stage. Once your campaign is live, you can monitor its performance from the Campaign Analytics tab, open rate, reply rate, opt-out rate. Use this to understand what is working and bring that feedback to your WiBiz account manager for optimization. Opportunities is your sales and lead pipeline. Every lead or prospect that comes through your channels can be tracked here through each stage of your sales process, from first contact through to converted customer. Your pipeline is organized as a board with stages as columns. A contact moves from left to right as they progress. You can see at a glance how many leads are at each stage and what needs attention. To move a contact to the next stage, drag their card across, or open the contact record and update the stage from there. Every stage change is logged automatically. Filter your pipeline by date, by assigned team member, or by lead source. If you are managing a high volume of leads, this filtering keeps your view focused on what matters today. Your WiBiz platform includes a trained AI agent that handles customer conversations. The knowledge base is what your AI agent knows. On the Pro plan, you can add to and update the knowledge base yourself without waiting for your WiBiz account manager. Your current knowledge base contains the information we loaded during your onboarding, your services, your pricing, your FAQs, your booking process, and your business policies. This is what your AI agent draws from when responding to customers. To add new information, click Add Content or upload a document. You can add a new service, update your pricing, add a new FAQ, or upload a PDF with additional information. The agent will use this in future conversations. To update existing content, click the entry and edit it directly. If your hours change, your pricing changes, or you launch a new offering, update it here and your agent will reflect the change immediately. A note on this: only add factual, accurate information to the knowledge base. Do not add conflicting information, draft content, or anything you would not want your agent to say to a customer. If you are unsure, ask your WiBiz account manager to review before you publish. Auto responses is where you manage how your AI agent behaves in conversations. You can set specific trigger phrases, define fallback responses, and control escalation behavior. Trigger phrases are keywords or sentences that activate a specific response. If a customer types the word pricing or asks how much does it cost, you can set a specific reply that fires every time. This ensures consistent, accurate responses to your most common questions. To add a trigger, click Add Response. Enter the phrase or keyword, then write the response your agent should give. Save it, and it is live immediately. The escalation setting defines when your AI agent hands a conversation to a human team member. You can set this by keyword, by sentiment, or by number of exchanges. If a customer asks to speak to a manager or if the conversation becomes complex, the agent flags it and your team is notified via the universal inbox. Be careful when editing escalation settings. If the escalation trigger is removed or misconfigured, complex conversations may not reach your team. If you are unsure about any setting here, contact your WiBiz account manager before making changes. Reporting on the Pro plan gives you the most complete view of your platform performance. Conversation volume, booking trends, campaign performance, pipeline conversion, email open rates, and reputation score are all in one dashboard. Filter by date range to compare periods. Look at this month versus last month. Look at this quarter versus the same quarter last year. Use the data to understand where your growth is coming from and where there are gaps. Each section of the dashboard is dedicated to a different performance area. Scroll through to see what is available. If you need a specific report that is not shown here, ask your WiBiz account manager. Your platform is connected to your communication channels. These are the channels your automation uses to send and receive messages. On the Pro plan, you can see which channels are connected, and in most cases, add or reconnect a channel yourself. Common channels include WhatsApp, SMS, email, Google Business, Facebook Messenger, and web chat. Each shows its connection status here. A green indicator means it is live and operational. To connect a new channel, click Add Channel and select the type. For email, you will need to verify your sending domain. For WhatsApp and SMS, you will need a connected number. For most channels, the process is a simple authorization flow. If you hit a step you are unsure about, stop and contact your WiBiz account manager rather than guessing. A misconfigured channel can affect all outbound messaging. That is your complete Pro plan walkthrough. You have access to the full front end of the WiBiz platform: your inbox, your pipeline, your campaigns, your knowledge base, and your performance reporting. The automation engine running underneath it is built and maintained by WiBiz. Your role is to drive the business from the top. Use your platform every day, check your inbox, monitor your pipeline, keep your knowledge base current, run your campaigns. If you ever need help, your WiBiz account manager is your first call. Thank you for watching.